congratulations to Route 196. It's their second anniversary, and this is like our home. We feel at home here, so astig tong lugar na to.
Congratulations, first of all. They take care of the musicians, you know, and that's one of the things that we bands like, musicians like.
Siyempre, happy ako na they're celebrating their second year. And sana tumagal pa sila because they're one of the good venues na nagbibigay ng avenue para sa mga banda to perform and stay their music.
Na-conceptualize namin itong anniversary namin siguro mga about a month ago lang. So we decided na since it's our second anniversary, maybe we should do it like 2 nights. So and then kasi since yung bar naman is catering to different kind of music, so maybe we can do something la parang chillax lang for 1 night, and then yung isa medyo hard yung tugtugan. So that's why we have 2 nights, and then all the bands that playing the first night medyo mostly acoustic lang siya, and then yung second night yun yung talagang medyo wild.
Okay siya. Madalas ako pumunta dito, pero ngayon nga miinom lang ako. Ngayon lang kami nakatugtog. Buti naman na nakatugtog kami kahit paano nakatugtog na kami. Masaya.
Basically, parang house band na kami dito. Parang, we love this bar. In turn, they love us. And maganda yung chemistry namin sa bar na to. So,
Route 196. Route 196. Actually, this is our place. This is our home. When Route 196 opened, I think we're one of the first band who played here, and we really love Route 196. And I'm really happy, and we're really glad that we are now celebrating the second year of Route 196.
Gusto namin lagi tumugtog sa lugar na to kasi napaka-intimate ng space. Naririnig mo lahat ng instrumento, naamoy mo lahat ng amoy alak, naamoy mo yung amoy alak na kabanda mo, naririnig mo bawat nota. Yun, so naririnig yung energy, iba yung energy ng audience kasi parang nagkakapalitan na kayo ng mukha.